Hello dear viewers, welcome to my channel. So here is a parcel which I want to unbox for you all. Recently made a purchase from Amazon. Quickly let's just open it. So if you're watching my videos, then you'll are aware that I make a lot of unboxing videos, unboxing of products and also a small review of them. So I keep adding my requirements, needs into my kitchen essentials, and I like to make unboxing videos and share it with you all, because just like me, when I make purchases online, many of you are looking out for and searching for reviews. So reviews do help a lot to give you an idea of how good the product is. So I keep making a lot of food recipes in my channel, and to give them a good look, I mean to have a good plating of the food that I prepare, I made this purchase. It's a food platter. So to get those beautiful thumbnails, appealing thumbnails, and also beautiful pictures for my Instagram account and also for my website, it's required to have good presentation of the food recipes that I prepare. So for the food photography, that's the reason I purchased this food platter. So since we all are aware, and definitely we should go organic, so that's the reason I purchased this black slate made of, it's a natural material, natural black slate stone, and it's also important to use eco-friendly, environment friendly and also food grade material for our food, very important. So this is a natural organic product which is made of black slate material, stone material. So this was available in many sizes, and let's see, as of now I purchased this, and if I'm happy I will go in for the different size products. So the packing is very good. Just I'll open it. So good packing, protection so that it doesn't break in the transit. And I'm very happy with my purchases online because it's very convenient for me, saves me the effort and time in going to the local market and making a purchase. So that's the reason I share my unboxing videos with you all, the viewers, because if you're looking for purchasing similar products online and definitely adding items into your kitchen needs, then my videos will be of great help to you all. So it's a rectangular shaped, made of natural black slate material. So you will find all the details down below in the description box, because I have provided a link to this product. You can also check all the specifications and the description of this product. So this is just an idea for you all to just have a view of it. So holding this item in my hand, I mean it looks so elegant and rich. It's also organic and natural. So let's see the thickness, and also there's a small padding that is provided here to place it. To serve starters in this and snacks, I mean this would really look very nice. This looks something really unique, and I like stuff that is unique, and it's also trending, this food platter. So dear viewers, stay updated for my more recipes to come up, and I'll be presenting them on this food platter made of natural black slate material stone, and I'm quite excited to use this with my plating. So stay updated for my more recipes to come up, and the link is provided down below in the description box, so you can click on the link, and that's for your reference. You can check more details and description of this product. So see you all in my next video.